Hello everyone, welcome to Beyond One Way. Did you know we can steam pre-made pizza dough? Yes, we can. And let me show you how to make delicious Asian vegetarian steamed buns using pre-made pizza dough. Bring a package of pre-made pizza dough to room temperature. In the meantime, use a heavy bowl and a can to press 8 ounces of firm tofu for about 20 minutes to get the water out. Then break the tofu into small pieces. Mix with finely chopped napa cabbage and shiitake mushrooms. I think the shiitake mushrooms add a special umami flavor to the tofu filling, but you can skip it if you want. Now let's add lots of flavors to the tofu filling. This smells so good, which means the buns will be so flavorful. The packaged pizza dough can be very sticky, so sprinkle some flour on the dough to help you to pick it up when it's ready to use. Make the dough into a rectangular shape and cut it into a total of nice small pieces. Have a damp paper towel over the dough so they won't get dried out. Now I'm sharing what works and the easiest for me to make buns. I hope you will find my tips helpful, but definitely do what works for you. Take a piece of dough and roll it into a ball. Use the bottom of a round-shaped glass to press the dough flat. Then use the edge of the glass to gently stretch the outside of the dough. This will increase the size of the dough, but leave the center thicker. You want the dough thicker in the center to put lots of the fillings inside the buns. Place a spoonful of the tofu filling in the middle of the dough and use the spoon to gently push the filling inside. Don't worry, this dough is stretchy and the center is thick so it can handle lots of filling. Now use your fingers to gently stretch the outside dough to make the dough bigger. See how the dough is slowly getting bigger? Now place another spoonful of filling in the center. I know the filling is overflowing right now. It's kind of intimidating, isn't it? But trust me, your dough can handle it. This time, use your thumb from one hand to press the filling into the dough and use the other hand to slowly stretch the edge of the dough. Or you can use a spoon to press in the filling instead of your finger if you wish. Now seal the dough from one end to the other like making a dumpling. The dough is sticky, so the opening will seal without a problem. Now fold both ends toward the center and seal them together. And slowly forming it into a ball shape. Place the buns inside a grease pan. I use 2 round cake pans because that's what I have. You will need a steamer to steam these buns. You can make a DIY version by making holes using aluminum foil pie pans. Cover the frying pan with a lid and steam the buns for 10 minutes, or when the dough bounces back after you press it like this. You can really taste that umami flavor from the filling, which makes these buns so tasty. Feel free to add your own spin to this recipe. Use ground pork instead of tofu if you prefer. Please subscribe to my channel if you enjoyed this video, and check out my other recipes using pre-made pizza dough. Happy eating, and see you next time.